everyone, welcome to Tea and Talk Thursday. So today is the Global Recycling Day, and for this occasion we decided to do not anymore a Tea and Talk, but a Tea and DIY. As you know, we are trying to be sustainable as much as we can, and we use a lot of leftovers to do some accessories, for example, scrunchies. So today I'm going to show you a DIY how to do a scrunchie. You can use any leftover fabric that you have at home that you're planning not to use, or you can also get our DIY scrunchies kit. So for today DIY, I'm going to use the sewing machine just because it's faster, but you can use your thread and needle. It's pretty easy. So watch out at the DIY, and if you have any comment, if you really enjoy it, just please write something below. Have fun! Bye!